Hey guys, it's Samara. Welcome back to German Made Easy for You. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the three temporal prepositions für, für, and seit. So without further ado, lass uns anfangen. The preposition für means before or ago. It talks about the action that has already taken place in the past. The sentences refer to how long ago the actions took place, and they are always in the past tense. For example, vor 2 Jahren habe ich ein Haus gekauft. Ich habe vor langer Zeit Badminton gespielt. Note that after vor, the dative case is used, and that's why lange Zeit changes to langer Zeit. Another important thing to remember is that questions asked with the word wann can usually be answered with the preposition für. The preposition für means for. It talks about an action that has already taken place in the past or that will take place in the future. The sentences are based upon time periods, either in the past or in the future. The beginning and the end of the time period is undefined. For example, ich möchte für einen Monat an einem Deutschkurs teilnehmen. Ich möchte Deutschland für 5 Tage besuchen. Note that after für, the accusative case is used. Remember that sentences with the word für can be used to answer questions with the phrase für wie lange. The preposition seit means since. It talks about an action that has begun in the past but continues in the present. Either the time period or a specific date is mentioned in the sentence. For example, ich bin seit dem 26. Dezember im Urlaub. Seit Freitag gehe ich zum Gitarrenunterricht. Note that after seit, the dative case is used. Remember that sentences using the word seit can be used to answer questions with the phrase seit wann. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Wir sehen uns bald. Tschüss!